So the reason why most of the people work with us, Adam, and this shouldn't come as any shock, but in this day and age, it ain't any easier to get your point across and to get attention, right? If you're a chiropractor, a dentist, whatever it is, a pizza shop owner, a barber, chances are you have competition, and chances are you have a lot of competition in your community. So this is about, how can I rise above that? I, the business owner, how can I differentiate myself? How can I, position myself as an expert so that when a consumer's, hey, I've got this dentist I can go to or this dentist, what's the difference? Oh, this guy wrote a book and this guy has a nice fancy picture in an ad in the magazine. The idea is to tap into that power of being a published author to differentiate you and your business. I believe in this concept I call helping before selling. And it's a philosophy I've always had. We should be helping, anybody should be helping their ideal prospect before you try to sell. And a book is a great tool for that, Adam. There's so many reasons why a book is a good tool, but it's about giving helpful bite-sized information that can be read in about an hour. And then, and I'm sure even with your published books, you won't make the mistake with your self-published books because you'll have the control, but then about taking that reader figuratively by the hand to the next step. Yes. Most real published books, they don't allow you to embed calls to action. And hey, if you want more information, go here. Or if you want to schedule a call with me, go here. And that's a huge mistake. I mean, if our readers want more from us, they like what they're reading and they want more from us, we've got to give them that pathway. So that's about the concept of helping before selling.